Black is formality and simplicity. So I was watching my president, the best president of Africa so far. Yeah, so. So we share the last 100 years there. Coming from baby John Mahama. But Samira woman, Mahama is the best president in the whole of Africa. I was watching Mahama with the simplicity and the elegance he demonstrated. That was Zambia. Tuntum. Etoda ye kura eno ne ye hye. Ye de kai se ye dofo bi eja ye ho. De ente ye hye tuntum ne ye se tuntum ye didi aroho. Ye mfa tuntum ndi aroho. Tuntum ye hye se eye elegant, eye power, eye strength. Enti nyame ye srew. Captain ekoi ma ye ndi otese ono. Kwame Nkrumah ekoi ma ye ntese de otese ono. Ene ye de kire. But do not forget, baby bakwa, remember what no actually. Black represent professionalism and seriousness. And see, wo bank here, and crane ni wo kasaka. Kwa mi no bulu ono di agro, ay agro no ni wudi. Babie. Father kakada bulu Bonsa di oka bulu ni chere no ene di oka bulu wo wi na esre na bulu na chere se Wunim mo amutie mpanifo amote nkan mo mfa nche me ka mo masere keke me ba nkan foforo 2013 ene mbisa ama feel say on cheme enkran kasa ede na ye wo dikres ba ko ya soro mu a oye MP me kan ye mame Elizabeth Denkra o wa chimota obeye Greater Accra Region so obeye AMA boss ko atin san na the time no na ya pon asori na mkojina mame anim me bisa ama feel say Mama Kasa, because I love the way the woman dressed so simply, beautifully, elegantly. I want to honor her. So kwa kachen so nya iflefle. Nti ya pon asore wa chimota ya ye join service ye ye no kewu platform we dey say mo yere mo yi free home. Se ni ama ye da se wa mo yakonya oni antibi mo mo yakonya. But platform we there. Munyana munyin free ho. Me ye pon asharam ko am sema. You are looking so beautiful this morning. Unya iflefle. Me mama Elizabeth Teria Saki. That time no. Na Pastor JC Agbesi. Wa bedi sofo ho. E wa chimota. Oko no wo chebi district ho nanado the district ho na odi Pentecost sofo the friend Pastor JC Agbesi otenkran otiawona otekasa bebere JC Agbesi tekasa bebere sanwunya yeto na awe me te ne be 2009 from JC Agbesi. I think that time no was senior. Either senior that time one no the district pastor. When we mama no wan cash you. Mama no comporte no. And on mama a very sarcastic smile be. Me ye sure sort ya says some na make kan minimum dia make. And train ho ne kuru a very noble man. Afi won ho na jebi mani ma yeyo. Onya eflefle ya makoke. Maka kwasi asema na. Let's me praise oba. And elder bako catch him say captain. Na onya eflefle no kote wa hin. Let me I'm a few them catch and say, me pay BB to describe dickness, no. So you're a politician, no, sent me back, sorry, a member of parliament. I say, hey, I just say when you more hurry. See, yes, when I Fletcher say when you more hurry, Fletcher say, ha. Me Dimirika me call my car, walk up panacho, post in your front to her, driver net to call. And I'm a fair pastor, Jesse, I was a pastor. Also, Captain. Let me say, Papa, when you're a flat float, hey, Pastor Jesse, I was hey. And I, or Chem, I say, the core drum, I'm going to say, hey, Hama, now what's that? O say Ghana kasa de o pese osua nkran ade e chewa atemdidie no ana Wọ́n say si eh wo ko ba bi na koto broni a o pese odidi atem the country yeah kwase nim bi o de so cuz what him say on test here. But as a one will buy a crum ha wonim say black is authority. And to be able to say, call you can't say, come, go, you can't say, I will cast him. I don't know, people say. The last thing I want to say about black, Mafia, black is rebellion. To doom. They rebel easily. Non-conformity. Because black fits any space. Black will fit any corridor. Black would suit any occasion. When you say the whole Africa, soldier for one match in for Zambia, soldier for. One match to say Ghana, Cocoa, or Petit-Agbo. Me am catch wopa me Google says here, produce and Zambia soldier for a match in says here. Now, Ghana forces, they were Colonel B. 1958. 19th March, 1958. They found Colonel Brown. 19th March, 1958. Colonel Brown, I said that was Zambia Kwache soldier for Sunday March. One match is a Ofori-Atta.
Wow.
As a poultry farmer. Poultry farm nkoko ne fie de fie o se fie nkoko mu nim yansa
o me discipline
ti se poultry nkoko Ofori-Atta ono ojirema onim di nto ye wa se buru no ono ho ni no no ase no when say Zambia for dressing ni we minister a whole minister of defense
come honestly
and o jam to say nyamecha me bu afu na se me man aduane ni no yeah? We ask about we are mango nko awodum. O wa di original. Where Zambia?
Na man so hye den.
Mo Say Zambia minister show we here. E man e wo hodo mafia wo be hye den. E na ju fra nwura. Minister na eba no.
Do she mo kwa no she shoe.
So we are Bama was Zambia now dress say ya. Una we oga e wo kuro nim. Ba yen ya wo hye we ya wajibi we gay. Ye di wuto. Papa ye ogina we. Any mama ogina we na ye oba. Anything. And today I would explain to you why I think Africa is Jimmy.
Wow.
Papa we on your retired military officer. Akwara John.
Oh, we're doing still.
Oda we do hwenanim na no mama. Hwenano. We. Nani abre Sergeant Major we by now kontimensia oya ahenkwa o hyensa wa shatade that thing we ni gina so soldier ni wo Zambia we wo hwe ni so mi do ya me ni be fini tuo kura din na Zambia for pa mo pe nkrofo asere yen Ghana for na Zambia pa 1959 24th August mo go he date mo kan che Zambia for so go 24th August 1959 ana mo rafi mo na mo ni atunkom kwa me ko na be kire mo ade e friend WC wonu matunkom hitim produce how the chance and when the etia ya jibi mafia ade bia ye Africa de no Africa mpe me to ade no mama ya tese se ya jibi the Zambia minister de share na me de sere no nyese me pese me sere no akono efe e de ntira e ya ade a eno na won wadwim no ohunu se eno na represent a demonstrate on culture. It is like a Zambia minister or share sa a mata de na producer Sansa bra. Ade e jina hoya. Sanka nya hwe. Osandi jina red carpet show.
Wash it. And now Sheldon try the answer.
Sure. Or the way jina we o.
Try the answer.
80. And can you kwanse Kwadwo smart sere won. But ye na yes re ho.
Ntokwa ni formula.
Yeah, original way. Original was o the minister. But August 1959, Prime Minister Kwatcha Zambia for the friend WC. So the richest man in Zambia at that time, na Kwatwo WC. Now I'm president on here to go. Because they realized that Kwame Nkrumah kept preaching Ghana, Guinea, Mali, Ghana, Guinea, Mali, Ghana, GGM, 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 GGM. But then say before you Jimmy say, "Adia ye dia esom ye mbono ye nim." The black man is not willing to learn anything about the black man. Eti me share here, I think somewhere last year, me started to me share agbada. Me twinya nkrofo frɛ me bisa me say. I didn't tell me share Nigeria for Attire. But you alata for me tuntum. Kaftan enye Ghana for Attire. Kaftan and Nigeria design. Ghana ye Fugu, e ma she kabane slate. Ghana ye frantma. Esi. Anamwa. Apart from the 3 northern regions, every other tribe, we're gonna have your frantma. Aibe u frantma. So be sabo bobo no washe singlet. No den tima bonasene. Votarians, omo shefugu. Ohini biye wa asase so, ye shefugu. Otumfo ye disi akonwa so a, ye ma ne batakari kase. Batakari enya asante atade. Asante frantma. Mbacho mebuana. Eti ohini bi o wa santimem o fugu. Ye fel bata kari. Se wo bata na no wa kari ebro na ye de ba wo so no. Eti bata kari na ye de aduro ahyem na hemforo de akoko. Eti se wo bata sa atade na wo hye sa atade na ye tu egyan no na eba eduro na ewo atade mu no na kari eduro na eba no na to na gu ba bi ti ye fe ne batakari Yeah, I can for Sani at Tia Sabadak Batakari, and yes, Santa Casa. One Casatia say ye proper. Woko Central Regional. Cape Coast to Fuhin Wahu. No more for say. Nanam Pochom Moachi, Bibiara Bokoze. Mefia, say to Fuhin, Yidin Timaguho. No sheshos, no wabatekeri no so. What's about tekeri kwa we fusun kakra, we sha nefe ewurade. Some pomp and pageantry beer, it comes with batekeri, smoke, fugu. Wouldn't say African country be anywhere. One more dressing. Bronia to the din Ghana. The whole world. The whole Africa country be anywhere. Ne dressing, official dressing. Bronia to the D Ghana. It's yen temani kente. It's known worldwide, globally. Se kente, a Ghana tema. Smoke, a Ghana tadi, anamwa. And before ye Jimmy. Zambia pa. Na mona mo president epe baby akwa. O friend kuma kura bisa no question answer. Say na friend Kenneth Kaunda. Papa we the biggest, the most beautiful dressing no original hono. Wo she we was Zambia akwa ese suku girl. We asa oba we dware wi okoda o she bonnet. We Ghana masha de dawo ba minister de hye no ono ne ba akoye guy with Zambia bruta he the socks tete and then we hye white socks edp abonte e wo Ghana ha. But you see, this is beautiful. This is their culture. I love it, I appreciate it, and I respect it.
They should also respect our culture.
Wuko Switzerland. Omusha skirt. Wusha skirt and it says we are tough. Eti ayi akoye fense. Akoye ultimate TV fense. Paul Admoche over your skirt. She socks tin. And all the worry. The northern part of Germany, skirt. Some mema. Ireland skirts. Yes, Remo. No. But it is about time the black man decides to read about the black culture. But here we are. Yes, Mahama Fugu yente se ba kwa bi kuma di Fugu na be chem WC say dey use. They say they share Mahama no blouse, but mafia there's something about Jomama. Say bibia all ye bia globally, it is bringing a positive impact on this country. And Your Excellency, continue. We will come and continue. Who Chrome president? That time we have bought Zambia gidigidi. Really? This time in so to talk Zambia. In so to talk. I was Zambia. Se Ghana had in so talk in Matadia Ebeshe. While we will be Chrome Matadia latte. You are an African president. An African president is coming to visit you. And you are not wearing anything traditional to represent your country. This president does not respect Zambia. Zambians, if you are listening to me, your president failed to portray the culture of Zambia to the world. Look, Ghana is Africa and Africa is Ghana. Take it or leave it. My beautiful Zambians, I love Zambia. When you go to Zanzibar and all those areas, hey, it's a Zambia is very beautiful. I love Zambia. You are trolling our president. We're also trolling your president.
Of course.
Why are you crying in Zambia? But listen and watch this. Your president demonstrated somebody's culture by wearing attire and suit. And you are so much comfortable to see your president demonstrating a foolish culture by wearing a attire and a suit. I know you have a culture in Zambia. Your president could have also demonstrated your culture. But your president failed to show to the world the Zambian culture. Our president is the most sensible in Africa now. Take it or leave it. He decided that I will, even though your weather was cloudy, it was drizzling, but I want to show the world, I want to show Zambia the beautiful Ghanaian culture. Why? Because culture is the preservation of identity in a globalized world. These days, you can tell for clear and obvious reasons that technology and globalization bless borders. So you'll not be able to tell this is a black American, this is a black Ghanaian, this is a black Zambian. Culture preserves uniqueness, language, and values. So my president, the best president in Africa, decided to go against the inputs and dictates of technology and globalization and decided to preserve the uniqueness of the Ghanaian culture, language, and values, customs. To also show you, years after Nkrumah came to Zambia, to also tell you that Ghana still exists and we are still the most powerful country in the whole of Africa. And this is aside for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. When he came and pushing for Zambia's independence and everything, he won and gained our independence wearing smock. One thing I want you guys to know is that preserving cultural identity helps protect diversity and rising global appearance. Look at my president. So beautiful. Fellow Zambians, fellow Africans, culture fuels creative thinking by offering multiple perspectives of everything. Diverse cultural approaches foster breakthroughs in technology, art and design, conflict resolution. You cannot go to any part of Zambia to solve a cultural problem with a foreign perspective. It will not work. This will not work. Look, going forward, even in security, even in intelligence gathering, cultural intelligence will be a core skill. And watch this. Between now and the next 20 years ahead of us, cultural fluency, understanding and navigating different cultures will be essential for global leadership, diplomacy, business, and collaboration. Culture helps to build empathy. And this is Berkeley, right? From the United States. He visited Ghana. He never visited Zambia. Clinton came to Ghana. Culture helps to build empathy, reduce conflicts. And this man wearing an American design suit, but still wore a kente cloth on it. Why? Because culture improves international cooperation. It would have been so beautiful and so nice if your president wore anything cultural of Zambia. He failed. Culture actually promotes ethical and sustainable development. Look, around the globe, many traditional cultures actually emphasizes balance with nature, community values, and long-term thinking. Go to China and tell them to eat with cutlery, metals. They have their own steaks that they used to eat. You go to China, you cannot have access to Google because they do not want any other nation, any other people, any other groupings to actually dilute their culture. Because Google will blur your thinking about your culture. And Mephias, why realize as I'm a camera photo? Why realize here? Climate and ethical challenges are starting to grow. But let me sit here and tell you, cultural wisdom offers sustainable ways of living that high-tech solutions alone cannot provide. So, if I have to, if JB is going to marry, JB would have to go see the family of the lady. But in America, JB can just walk straight to any court, to any legal department, and register his marriage, and JB is a married man. Here, we don't do that. In Africa, dowries are very important in marriages. But when you go to Dominican Republic, it is the only country that you can go seek divorce without the other person. They say, "Oh, Jamia, let's get the Dominican Republic. But we have a court. Court may grant divorce now. I dare bet you many baby house now. We are bang. But the African culture is respectful. Cultural unity is key. So I was actually looking up to your president to demonstrate the Zambian culture. He failed it. You people need to punish your president for failing to demonstrate the Zambian culture. In times of political and technological approval, culture is the only thing that can glue and hold communities. As Africans, we need to share our stories. Shared stories, rituals, and heritage actually foster resilience, continuity, and belonging. My friend is Zambia for Rollins as empire. You love Rollins. This is Rollins in Fugu. We no culture say don't get here. Or control no no tronechi. There Farmers Day.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers,